ಶ್ರೀಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಅಗ್ರೇ ಕೃತ್ವಾ ಕಮಪಿ ಚರಣಂ ಜಾನುನೈಕೇನ ತಿಷ್ಠನ್ ಪಶ್ಚಾತ್ ಪಾರ್ಥಂ ಪ್ರಣಯರಸಜುಷಾ ಚಕ್ಷುಷಾ ವೇಕ್ಷ್ಯಮಾಣಃ ಸವ್ಯೇ ತೋತ್ರಂ ಕರಸರಸಿಜೆ ದಕ್ಷಿಣೇ ಜ್ಞಾನಮುದ್ರಾಂ ಆಬಿಭ್ರಾಣೋ ರಥಮಧಿವಸನ್ ಪಾತು ನಃ ಸೂತವೇಷಃ. ಓಂ ಪ್ರಪನ್ನಪಾರಿಜಾತಾಯ ತೋತ್ರವೇತ್ರೈಕಪಾಣಯೇ ಜ್ಞಾನಮುದ್ರಾಯ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಗೀತಾಮೃತದುಹೇ ನಮಃ. ನಾಸತೋ ವಿದ್ಯತೆ ಭಾವಃ ನಾಭಾವೋ ವಿದ್ಯತೆ ಸತಃ ಉಭಯೋರಪಿ ದೃಷ್ಟೋಂತಃ ತ್ವನಯೋಸ್ತತ್ವದರ್ಶಿಭಿಃ. Bhagavan Shri Krishna presents one more definition regarding the nature of Atma in this shloka. We have seen two definitions. Atma Nityaha is eternal. Atma Nirvikaraha is free from modifications. We should not think that Atma is some unknown entity. I am Atma. I am eternal. I am changeless. This body, mind, etc. are anatma, impermanent and subject to modifications. The important definition of Atma from this shloka is Atma Satyaha Anatma Mithya. We have to understand this very carefully. That which is always there in the past, present and future is known as Satyam. For example, ornaments exist because of gold. Gold lends existence to ornaments. When we say an ornament, its name and form are dependent on gold. The word ornament has no independent existence other than gold. This idea is very subtle. Similarly, our body, mind, etc. depends on Atma, which is pure consciousness principle, for their existence. They have no independent existence. Without I, the Atma, there is no mind, body or worldly experiences. In deep sleep state, as I am not available, mind is resolved and worldly experiences are absent. We understand this idea with the help of our Anubhava Pramana, our own experience itself. So, Atma alone is real, Satya. Body, mind, etc. are seemingly real, they are actually unreal. In Mandukya Karika, Sri Gaudapadacharya has explained that Adau Antecha Yen Nasti Vartamanepi Tattatha. What was not there in the beginning and end and is present only in between is considered to be non-existent only. Atma is Satyaha, real. Anatma is not totally Asatyaha because we experience it. But if we analyze, we understand that it does not have independent existence. Atma Satyaha, Anatma Mithya. Mithya is that which cannot be categorized as totally real or totally unreal. It is seemingly real, but on analysis, it loses its reality. It may be real for our experience, but when we analyze its true nature, we find it to be unreal. The word ocean is superimposed on water. Similarly, all the objects in this world, their names, forms and functions are superimposed on Sat. Asataha bhavaha navidyate. There is no existence for the unreal. Sataha abhavaha navidyate. There is no non-existence for the real. Anayoho ubhayoho antaha. The truth of these two, tattvadarishibhihi drishtaha, is known by those who know the absolute reality through proper analysis. We have learned that aham nityaha, ಅಹಂ ನಿರ್ವಿಕಾರಃ ಅಹಂ ಸತ್ಯಃ. ಅನಾತ್ಮ ಅನಿತ್ಯಃ ಅನಾತ್ಮ ಸವಿಕಾರಃ ಅನಾತ್ಮ ಮಿಥ್ಯ. ಮಿಥ್ಯ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ which can be negated by knowledge. It may appear real for sensory experience, but from the standpoint of knowledge, it is unreal. Let us have the eyes of wisdom and knowledge to win over the unreal experiences of life. Na sato vidyate bhavaha, na bhavo vidyate satah, ubhayorapi drishtontaha, tvanayostattvadarshibhihi. My prayerful blessings to all of you. Hari Om.